alaikum. Good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you very much for give me wonderful opportunity to say something about my village. Actually, I born in Kishoreganj. It's my hometown. It has many historical places like as Pagla Masjid and Shulaka Idgah Maidan. Most of the political person are born in my country. The name of Sayyid Nurjul Islam, Abdul Hamid, Fuzur Rahman, and they are one of them. There are 3 presidents also born in this area. There are many wise persons are born in Kishoreganj, and first woman literature of Bangla literature, whose name is Chandravati, he is also born in Kishoreganj. There are most of the people are born in Kishoreganj, like as the news presenter Munni Shah also born in Kishoreganj, and the hero of Bangla Ilyas Kanchon, and the new hero of Bangla cinema Simon Sadiq also born in Kishoreganj, and most of the wise men are also born in Kishoreganj. So there are many institutes in our Kishoreganj, like as Gurudwal College, Sayyid Nurjul Islam Medical College, Holy Nawaz Khan College, and Kishoreganj University. There are lots of Qaumi Madrasa in our village. There are many renowned madrasa also in our town, like as Abu Huraira Madrasa and Nurali Tarapasha and Jamia Ahmadiyya Kishoreganj. There are lots of primary institutes also in our Kishoreganj, and Kishoreganj is a district, so lot of people are living this district, and some of the are village service holder, and some of the non-government service holder, and some of the are driver, like as rickshaw pola, auto driver, and various kind of people are living our town. And so thank you very much for giving us a wonderful opportunity. Allah Hafiz. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.